Okay, so we're going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. You've kind of already done this with equations. It's just going to look a little bit different. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. So, first one we're going to add vertically. So what you need to do is make sure it's in standard form first. And we're going to take this polynomial and add them together. So I'm going to write the first one first. 5x cubed minus x squared plus 6x minus 4. And I can add my 2 marks if I want. You don't have to. And then now I'm going to align them vertically according to like terms. So this 7x squared is the same as negative x squared. So 7x squared, it's going to go there. Then minus 10x minus 1. I can add my 2 marks. And then we're going to add them vertically. So negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. 6x plus negative 10x is negative 4x. Negative x squared plus 7x squared is really 6x squared. And then we have plus 5x cubed. And there's no like terms to combine, so that would be your simplified answer. Alright. This next one we're going to add horizontally. So you're going to group them next to each other, the like terms that are next to each other. So negative 3y squared and negative 4y squared. So negative 4y squared. Then negative 8y and 12y. So plus negative 8y plus 12y. Then 1 and plus 1 minus 2, or plus negative 2. So now negative y squared plus negative 4y squared is negative 7y squared. Then negative 8y plus 12y is 4y. And then 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. This would be your simplified answer. You can choose to add them horizontally or vertically. It doesn't matter. It's just whatever you prefer. And this last one we're going to subtract. So it's showing you that it's that polynomial minus this one. If we add our 2 marks here, there's really a negative 1 in front of that, so we would use the distributive property. So I'm going to write this first one first, and I'm going to subtract vertically, but you can do it horizontally. It's up to you. Okay, so we have 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus x minus 5. And then if I do the distributive property, that would be negative 4x cubed. That goes with the other x cubed. And then add my 2 marks. Negative 1 times negative 3 squared would be positive 3x squared. And then negative 1 times 8 would be negative 8. Now notice right here I didn't put anything. That's because we don't have just an x in that polynomial. So we just leave that part blank. Now negative 5 plus negative 8 is negative 13 plus x. There's nothing to add to it. Negative x squared plus 3x squared is negative 6x squared. 2x cubed minus 4x cubed is negative 2x cubed. This would be your simplified polynomial. So to sum up, first you use distributive property, then align horizontally or vertically. With like terms. Then 3, add / subtract, which really just means combining like terms. And 4, simplify anything that needs to be simplified. But it should all be simplified, so you should be good. And that's adding and subtracting polynomials.